Welcome back, 9:23. It is the first Science with Sarah of the new year. And this morning, Sarah Spivey and her assistant David Sears are out at McAuliffe Middle School.
They're with a group of 8th graders and they're doing some iodine chemistry today. Good morning, Sarah and David.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Yes, we are doing a science experiment with iodine because when iodine reacts with starch, it turns a really cool color. And these awesome 8th graders here at McAuliffe are going to guess which foods contain iodine before we do the experiment. So, David, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here's what you need. You need iodine, first aid kit stuff. David, you were telling me a little bit about iodine back in the day, huh?
Back in the olden days?
Put it on cuts and stuff?
You put it on cuts and stuff.
People, of course, you still do that, but still. Okay, so you need iodine. You need 2 cups with water. You need various food items. We've got bread, apples, potatoes, bananas, and lettuce. You need cornstarch because starch is the thing that changes it a certain color. You need a pipette for the iodine, and this is important, a pipette.
Oh, I thought it was just like a little squeezer thing.
Or a squeezer thing. And this is important. You need eye protection because you do not want to get iodine in your eyes. You don't really need gloves, but iodine can stain. So the first thing I want to do is just display what happens with iodine when it mixes with starch. So David, I want you to
use a little squeezer thing yet?
Yes.
Okay.
I want you to take a pipette of iodine.
Or a squeezer thing.
A squeezer thing of iodine and drop it into this cup of water. Okay, it's a yellow. It's a deep yellow ochre color. Great job, David.
Thank you.
We're going to take some starch and we're going to put it in this cup and really mix it up good. Watch what happens. David, get a little more iodine in there because I really want you to show this pretty dramatically. So pour that whole thing in there. It turns a deep, dark, purple, black color.
It looks like grape juice.
It does look like grape juice. You can actually see it's a little bit more purple there when I show you that. So the deal with this experiment is these awesome 8th graders, you guys see what happens when the iodine and starch mix together? That's pretty crazy, right? They are going to test out these various food items to see what. Let's try the bread.
Okay.
What's your hypothesis?
Bread has got starch in it.
Yeah, it definitely does. Look at that. So as we move it around here, it quickly turns black. All right, potatoes.
Potatoes got starch in it.
Yeah, but potatoes, this is interesting. This is a baking potato, which actually has less starch in it than regular potatoes.
Really?
So it's going to be slower to turn that blackish color. What do you think about apples?
Apple? No.
You're right, it does not.
And bananas?
This one's interesting.
Ooh, does banana have starch in it? I didn't know I was going to have to do the quiz today. I thought that's why the 8th graders were here to help us figure this out.
They're gonna help us figure it out here in a bit.
Okay.
All right, so coming up, we're going to have the 8th graders test the starch contents of different food. Are you guys ready? Yeah. All right, here we go. We'll have that experiment for you coming up. Welcome back to McAuliffe Middle School. We're with the 8th graders doing a starch science experiment. So you guys put the iodine in the cup of water. What color is that? Like a tea? It kind of looks like tea. Okay, I want you to take the spoon and take a scoop of take a scoop of the starch and put it in there and stir it up. Do you guys have a pipette of iodine?
Pour it in the
Here.
Pour it in the one you didn't.
Whoa, that's why we have the aluminum foil and everything. Okay, cool, great. Now take this and push this in there.
Put your starch in there.
All of it, yep.
And
it almost immediately turns this purplish color. Isn't that cool?
You don't have just a water?
Okay, cool. So have you guys done your iodine in the other cup and put the starch in there? Okay, great. Now we're going to test out the food. Take a little bit of iodine and put it on the food items. Here, let's take a little bit of iodine, like you've got iodine right there. Put it on the bread. Let's see what happens.
Like 1 drop?
Yeah, put a little bit more than 1 drop.
Put some starch in there.
Great. And then I'll move it around with my finger. Look how it turns like a blackish color.
Stir it.
Like kind of like it's almost burnt toast or whatever.
Put some more in there.
Do you know why that would happen?
With your starch and your
Because it has starch in it. That's exactly right. All right, let's see what David's up to.
No, that's good. That was just iodine. Put up. Get a good.
Oh, y'all are doing the starch.
Yeah,
That's
just stir
great.
it up.
Stir it up good.
Stir it up. Watch what happens.
They're black.
Are you surprised?
Yes.
What do you think was going to happen?
I don't know.
Do y'all want to test some of your food items? So what was one of your hypotheses here? What did you think had starch in it?
Potatoes.
Pasta? Oh, let's try a piece of pasta then. Okay, so why don't we put some iodine on there? You go first. You put some iodine on this pasta. More than one drop. Yep, that's great. And you'll notice that it'll turn this darker color here. Because it has, see how it's turning black?
Yeah.
That's because it has starch in it.
Now put it on the bread and watch what happens. Watch how fast this goes. So you know, what does that tell you?
The starch.
How much?
A lot.
For it to turn that fast, that's a lot of starch in that bread. Isn't it?
Ton of starch. Okay, anybody trying a food item that we can test out? Anybody try the apple yet?
No. She's
What?
supposed to.
Oh, that's okay. Where's yours? Okay, so just take some with your glove and put it on the bread.
What if we make a bread sandwich with iodine?
With iodine. Put the bread down there and see what happens. Sop it up with the bread. There you go. Wow, look how dark that is. Are you surprised? Look at that. What do you think of that?
Let's
Is
try
that
something
amazing?
too. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's dump some iodine in here.
See what happens. With the starch. Just pure starch. Little spillage never hurt anybody.
That's pretty cool.
That's experimentation.
So the way that this works is iodine has electrically charged molecules in it, and when it interacts with starch, it emits a higher electricity, and that's why we see it as blue, because blue light has a higher frequency. So it's pretty cool.
Now, a potato should have starch in it, correct?
Yeah.
But watch what happens when you put your iodine on the potato. We know what happens on the bread, right? Mm-hmm. What do you think is going to happen?
It's going to darken up.
Okay, spread it around a little bit with your finger.
Yeah.
You got your glove on, so you're good. But it doesn't turn that fast, does it?
No.
So what does that mean?
It has less starch.
It has less
It
starch.
has less starch.
Very
That's
good.
exactly
but
right.
But it eventually will turn because it is a potato and it should have some starch in it. Put some on the apple. Let's see what happens there.
Guys, what about the lettuce? Does lettuce turn?
What do you think?
That's going to have a lot of starch in it.
It looks like the apple might have some, but I don't think apples
Not
do.
a lot.
do
No. They don't.
They don't.
There's a little bit of oxidization going.
Put some on your banana and let's see what happens.
Banana?
Tell me what you think is going to happen.
Spread it with your finger. Yeah. Ooh.
It's still pretty light, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what does that tell you? Since it didn't turn dark, what does it tell you?
But David, look at this. This is so cool, guys. So I put it on this banana like about 3 minutes ago, and you can see how black it is now. So it does have starch in it.
Bananas do have starch. It just takes a while for it to bend. But the bread is really fast, isn't it? That bread is amazing. All right.
Hey guys, give yourselves a round of applause. That was awesome. Great job, guys. If you want to do this experiment, this is a little bit more advanced for middle school students to do. You can make sure to see all of our Science with Sarah experiments on KSAT.com. Reporting with my awesome assistant, David, from Krista McAuliffe Middle School. Sarah Spivey, back to you guys.